Hey beauties! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're showing you how to get a flawless salon-style hairstyle at home in 3 simple steps, easy, quick, and totally gorgeous. Let's dive right in. Step: prep and protect. Start by washing and conditioning your hair to keep it soft and smooth. Gently detangle using a wide-tooth comb. And always apply a heat protectant spray. This is key to keeping your strands healthy and shiny while styling. Good prep equals great results, so don't skip it. Step: style and shape. Now let's bring your look to life. You can blow dry for that sleek, bouncy look, curl for soft waves, or straighten for a polished vibe. Whatever fits your mood. Work in small sections to get that clean, even finish, just like the pros do. And if you're going for volume, flip your hair upside down while blow drying for that extra lift. Step: finish and shine.